There must be a reason why the Lord declared shrimp, certain sea creatures, an abomination to eat that are unclean. I don't know. From my point of view, from putting together these packages, almost everything, including catfish, everything that's on the bottom of the sea, is not considered clean. But besides that, just putting together these packages, like I said, they're just really pointy, have little sharp edges, things like that. I don't know. To me, that's another reason to detour me from unclean foods, aka garbage disposals. Alright, guys.